Module 2: Consciousness and Human Diversity. Consciousness and the two-track mind. The realm of consciousness is our intimate and continuous experience of sensations, thoughts, and the world around us. Even in the depths of sleep, consciousness transitions rather than ceases, often producing dreams. These nocturnal narratives are not just random. They are believed to be a reflection of our subconscious, a means through which our brain sifts through and makes sense of our daily experiences. Dream theories have evolved from Freud's view of them as a pathway to our hidden desires to more modern interpretations like the activation synthesis hypothesis, which suggests that dreams are our brain's attempt to interpret random neural activity during sleep. Disassociation, a significant shift in one's consciousness, can result in a feeling of detachment from one's thoughts, surroundings, identity, or memory. This can be a psychological response to trauma or part of a dissociative disorder, creating a sense of observing oneself from the outside. The introduction of drugs into our system can profoundly alter our state of consciousness. Psychoactive drugs, for example, can modify perceptions, moods, and behaviors by interacting with our brain's neurochemistry. These substances are categorized into depressants, stimulants, and hallucinogens. Depressants slow brain activity, potentially easing anxiety or helping one relax. Stimulants like caffeine and certain medications accelerate brain activity, leading to increased alertness. Hallucinogens can distort reality, leading to experiences of things that aren't there. Cocaine stands out as a potent stimulant that can briefly induce intense highs followed by extreme lows, agitation, and a craving for more. Its use can result in a quick surge in alertness, a sense of well-being, and increased energy. Now let's turn to Maya, who, about 3 hours into her sleep cycle, exhibits a quickened heartbeat, accelerated breathing, and rapid eye movements beneath her closed eyelids. These signs are characteristic of the REM sleep stage, where the brain is almost as active as when awake, and most dreaming occurs. It's therefore most probable that Maya is in the midst of a dream. Considering Jamal's experience after ingesting a psychoactive substance, he notes a reduced appetite, elevated pulse, enlarged pupils, and an influx of self-assurance and joy. These are indicative of the effects of cocaine. The drug activates the sympathetic nervous system, leading to these pronounced physiological and psychological changes. Therefore, it is likely that Jamal has encountered the potent effects of cocaine. Grasping these intricacies of consciousness and its alterations through dreams or drug-induced states provides a richer understanding of the profound nature of our awareness and the impact substances can have on our mental landscape. Whether it's through the veil of sleep or the influence of external agents, the study of consciousness remains an endlessly intriguing frontier of human knowledge. Nature, nurture, and human diversity. In the realm of psychology, the discussion of nature versus nurture is not just academic, it's a lens through which we can view the unfolding narrative of human development. This narrative is neither solely written in the genetic code we inherit, nor entirely scripted by the environments we navigate. Instead, it emerges from the interplay between our biological endowments and the social, cultural, and familial forces that shape our lives. Consider an individual whose inherent physical traits might predispose them to certain reactions from society. These reactions, in turn, can shape their social behaviors and personality. For example, a person might be born with features that society deems attractive, which could lead to more positive social interactions, thus influencing the development of an outgoing personality. This exemplifies the nuanced interplay between the genes we carry and the environment we interact with. It's a dance of influence and adaptation where inherent traits are molded by social experiences and vice versa. This dynamic interaction also reflects our innate biological capacities. We come into the world equipped with a remarkable ability to learn and adapt, skills that are vital for our survival and growth. This inherent capacity for adaptation allows us to navigate and flourish within diverse environments, highlighting the evolutionary advantage of being able to adjust to various circumstances and challenges. The influence of culture on this developmental process is profound. Cultures that emphasize collectivism, for instance, prioritize the group over the individual. In such cultures, cooperation, communal responsibilities, and interdependence are valued traits. Conversely, cultures that are more individualistic place a premium on personal achievement, independence, and self-expression. These cultural orientations not only shape social behavior but also affect how individuals see themselves and their roles in society. Social learning theory provides further insight into how we develop and adapt. It suggests that much of our learning is achieved through observation, imitation, and modeling. This is particularly evident in how children learn about gender roles. Parents and significant others serve as models, displaying behaviors that are culturally aligned with gender expectations. Children observe these behaviors and, over time, begin to emulate them, thus internalizing societal norms about gender. Child-rearing practices are intrinsically linked to these gender norms. From an early age, children may be steered toward activities and behaviors that align with cultural expectations of their gender. This guidance is not unidirectional. It reflects the reciprocal nature of socialization, where children and parents influence each other's behaviors and beliefs. Such practices have a significant impact on the development of gender identity and the roles individuals assume in society. In sum, the development of human diversity is a complex process shaped by a multitude of factors. Our genetic makeup provides a framework of possibilities, but it is the nurturing environment that fills in the details, shaping who we become. As we consider the various influences that contribute to human diversity, we see that our unique personal narratives are composed of both our natural predispositions and the nurturing influences of our upbringing and cultural context. This rich tapestry of life experiences, set against the backdrop of our inherited traits, creates the diversity that is inherent in the human condition.